Yo, what's up YouTube? It is your boy Davo back at it with another video. Man, I hope y'all can see everything. I'm really finna double check real quick, so give me 1 second. Alright, back guys, hope y'all doing good this morning. Gonna get things started. We don't have no load today, but we taking this truck to the shop. We gotta get an alignment done, so we're gonna go ahead and get that. I'm gonna try to get this truck washed this morning. This is that truck I was talking about in the last video. This one with that Detroit in it. I'm not sure if it's a 12 model or a 12 liter or a 14. It's not too loud, but I mean, whenever, if they ever assign me to this truck, I'll go ahead and do a full in-depth on, you know, the specs of this truck. I don't know really, so. Like I said, this truck ain't too loud. Yeah, it's really not loud at all compared to those other trucks we've been in. It's one thing I like about it. Ooh. It doesn't have a good turning radius compared to that other black truck I was in. Smooth, I love it. Still getting used to the truck, really, man, because I've been used to driving these cats for so long. It's different. These Detroits, they like to shift at a higher RPM, and then it takes a little bit longer for the needle to drop, put it back in gear. Yeah, I believe it's a 2019 model truck. Like I said, man, this thing is nice. It rides good. The fuel mileage isn't bad. You know I'm bobtail, but and when this thing is cleaned up, man, it's an eye catcher, in my opinion, at least. You got the stacks and you got lights and chrome, man. We're just gonna truck on down this road. Like I said, I'm gonna try to get a wash this morning. I'm gonna try to get there at 6:30, probably before then, but I'll catch you guys whenever we getting cleaned up. Alright, we back, YouTube. We done got cleaned up, man, and we on our way to Monroe. This thing was filthy, but we got it looking good now. She's beautiful. She's shining. Even though we're gonna catch some rain, I'm not sure when it's gonna start, but now the sky looking, it could be any minute. Yeah, man, we just trucking along here. Things with the job is slow right now. You know, usually around this time is when things pick up, but for whatever reason it's running slow right now. I got a load tomorrow. It's a short load. I may or may not record that. I don't know, it's not gonna be much scenery, just a little short run. So yeah, man, as soon as things pick up, man, the video's gonna start rolling. I try to record whenever I can, whenever it's gonna be something worth recording. And you know, just try to be consistent. It's a start. But we got maybe an hour 20 minutes, well, really an hour from here is whenever we're gonna get to where we're going. Yeah, man, we like I said, we're just gonna get an alignment. Driver said something about uneven wear on the steers, so I'm gonna just have them look at the front end real good, get a alignment done. We already got the truck clean, so we're not gonna have much left to do other than drive, man. Yeah, this trip right here, you know, it's not too bad of a drive coming in Louisiana. Man, I'm just loving this truck, man. It's a night and day difference compared to those older trucks, man. Night and day. It rides smoother, and it's actually it's quieter too, you know. I can actually hear myself talk, hear myself think. Night and day, man. That black truck down there right now is a 2004 model. This is a 2019, man. It's
they got a new browser working in this store. Don't take you a minute.
I don't know what he's talking about. Yeah, man, it's night and day difference. I'm trying to, and the turning radius is another thing. The turning radius in this truck, man, that black truck that I'm in is so much better. The driver who was in the black truck before me said it got a setback axle, so man, it turns on the dime compared to this truck. But you know, that's what you get with these long hoods, man. Turning radius is not the best in these hoods, but hey, I mean, I love them, man. Ain't nothing better than seeing that out in front of you, in my opinion, at least. In my opinion. And I love to get this thing behind the load, or get in front of a load. We can have some weight behind me. See how it does. But yeah, man. Like I said, we got about an hour or so to go. I'm gonna put y'all in the time lapse, and I'll see y'all whenever we get to where we're going.
Jake Angel on the track.
We are back, man. We just hopped on Highway 20, man, headed into my road. I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the place on my GPS so I can know exactly how to get there. Yeah, it tried raining on us earlier. It was just sprinkling, but still a little rain. It didn't last about 15 minutes or so. Yeah. My appointment's at 10 o'clock. My GPS is saying we're gonna make it at 9:32, so That's perfect. You always want to show up early just in case you have some problems trying to get there, man. That's how you do it. Luckily, we ain't have no problems trying to get up here, man. Problems can happen to anybody at any time. I ain't been in Monroe in a minute. Yeah, man, we got 8 minutes. I'm gonna roll these windows down. Let y'all listen to the traffic. driving. You just want to make sure you stay in your lane and watch for other people. You always want to look ahead too, because you know they be having those brake checks. So I always want to pay attention, look ahead, stay in your lane, and just watch your speed. If this is the truck they put me in, I'm gonna have them adjust that clutch, man, because I don't like how it comes off at the very top. That's whenever it catch. It's kind of rough whenever it starts to catch at the very top of you releasing the clutch. So I'm gonna just have them adjust that some. That blue building over there is where we're going to. I'm gonna have to make a U-turn here in a second. Brakes. Alignment. Yeah, that's where we're going right there. Alright, man, I'm gonna let y'all go. I'm gonna get back with y'all whenever we get done.